What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm showing you my top 5 favourite graphic design packs of all time. So guys, before we get started with the video, I would just like to quickly thank bookmark.com for sponsoring the video. If you don't know already, Bookmark is hands down one of the easiest and coolest website builders out there, letting you create your own personal website, whether that be a design portfolio or an online store, in the matter of minutes. It uses an AI website builder, which means you can create a site with no technical knowledge. If this does interest you, make sure you head over to bookmark.com and you can find more information on how to get started there. So guys, just over 3 years ago now, I uploaded a video showcasing my personal top 5 favourite graphic design packs. As this was a very long time ago, the packs I used back then are no longer even on my computer, so an updated version of this video is definitely been long awaited. All of the packs I include in this video will be helpful for designing. Some are free to download and some are paid, so of course you can take your pick as to which ones you get. Do remember though, this is my all-time favourite graphic design packs, okay, not the community, so if you do disagree with me, then I am sorry. I know a lot of you also may be thinking, James, won't the list be all of your graphics packs now? Although I was tempted to do this, I knew it would be a little cheeky, so I have limited myself. However, if you would like to check out all of my personal packs, make sure to visit my design store. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below if you wish to check it out. Anyways, with that being said, I'm now going to begin showcasing you my top 5 design packs of all time. Oh, and really quickly, the download link to each pack as well as the creator can be found in the description down below too. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so beginning with the 5th pack on my favorites list, we have Styl Creations free 16k pack. Now, many of you may be unfamiliar with this pack and also Styl Creations as a designer. Now, this is a key reason as to why I actually included it in this video. It's a very underrated pack. The contents inside this pack are actually really unique and they work perfectly alongside each other. Personally, I would say that the textures and the lighting stocks folders are the best groups inside the pack, but of course you may have your own favorites. The reason I like these folders is because they have so many layers inside, so there's actually a lot to choose from when using the pack, and as well as that, they all seem to be great quality. Now, the only downside I would say to this pack is the fact that it is not suited for all design styles. If you're creating a Fortnite header, for example, it's not going to come in handy at all. However, if you're making something like a cover art, then this is going to come in clutch. So whether you like this pack or not really does depend on your design style and the work you are creating, but once again, this is a free pack to download, so really there's no harm in trying it. Swiftly moving on to the number 4 spot here, we have the free Divinity pack by Aleks. Now, I included this pack in my best free packs video and I had to include it in here as well because honestly, I'm still shocked as to why this is a free pack. Just simply opening up this pack, you can see how much time Aleks actually put into this. There's so much content inside, and the reason this pack is so good as well is because it's incredibly versatile, because as I said, it has so many groups inside. It literally has almost everything you will need when designing. Of course, with all positives there comes a negative, and with this pack I would say that it's the originality, purely because a lot of the contents inside are things that I've seen in previous design packs, not from Aleks but just everyone in general. I wouldn't worry about this too much though, because of course most of the resources are still very useful and as mentioned will certainly help you when designing. Overall, this is a great free pack, and similar to the last one, there's really no reason to not download this. Completely free, and it will certainly help you when designing, as I said. Okay, so moving on to the 3rd place spot here, we have EdwardDZN's Wraith pack. Now, if you don't know who Edward is already, he's actually a graphic designer that uploads on YouTube as well. He uploads loads of design tutorials and his work mainly focuses around the gaming side of things, so like for example Fortnite. Currently, Edward is absolutely killing it with these designs, and same goes for this pack. If you're like me and you create a lot of gaming related designs, so whether that be COD, Fortnite, even games like Clash of Clans for example, this is perfect for you because a lot of the contents inside you will use, and there's even more. Some of my favorite groups within the pack are the Fortnite resources and also the images of the esports players. I thought this was a great touch, and as I said before, if you're creating anything gaming related, then the contents inside this pack is definitely going to help you. The only downside to this pack I would say is the fact that it is not suited for all designs. As I said, it's ideal for gaming, but something like an abstract header, if you are creating one of those, you're missing folders like stocks, which is fairly important. Also, for the next pack that Edward makes, I would love to see some contents made by himself because I know he has the design ability to do so. So yeah, that would be a really great touch. Overall though, solid pack and definitely worth checking out and copying if you can. Okay, so moving on to the second place spot here, we have Zert's Future 2 graphic design pack. For some reason, not everyone knows about this pack, and that really needs to change because honestly, this is such an original design pack. The designer Zert creates some absolutely insane work, make sure to check him out of course, but this pack actually includes the resources that he uses when designing. Not to mention as well, a lot of the contents inside have actually been created by himself, which is definitely something I respect. Although this is not a free pack, I can say that it is certainly worth the price. If you didn't know already, there is 4 parts to this pack, okay? That's right, 4 PSD files, so that just goes to show you how much time has been put into making this. Of course, this is a slight downside as well though. In terms of practicality, you'll have to navigate between the 4 PSD files, which of course is me being lazy really, but it is a downside. This also won't be great if you do have a slow PC, but pushing that aside though, Future 2 by Zert, definitely an amazing graphic design pack and deserves this number 2 spot. And finally, at number 1 for my favorite graphic design pack, who would have guessed it, is my ultimate 50,000 subscriber pack. I can already hear the comments saying that this is biased, but honestly, okay, hand on heart, this is currently my all-time favorite graphic design pack. As I created it myself, I was able to include contents that me and other designers need, which a lot of other graphic design packs would have missed. Also, since the pack is new, everything inside is fresh and up to date. I'm sure to include contents that you won't see in other graphic design packs, and as well as that, contents that you will use, okay? So no matter what design style you are going for, my 50k pack will definitely come in clutch for you, because I mean, I know it does for me. When I create my client work, for example, this is the pack that I will have open. Of course, if I need something else from another one, I can open that up quickly and retrieve it, but for general use and practicality, the 50k pack is great and it has honestly everything you will need in one PSD. You know, I didn't put ultimate in the title of this pack for absolutely no reason, just saying. Regardless, if you are interested in this pack of mine or you want to check out any of my other packs, make sure to do so. They're over on my design store. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. Anyways guys, that is it for my top 5 design packs of all time. If you have a different list and you do want to go ahead and share it, make sure to leave a comment and I will go ahead and check them out. Also, if you did go on to enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, that would be much appreciated. If we can reach 500 likes, then my next design video is going to be a header/banner tutorial, since I know a lot of you want to see a new one. If you're new to the channel and you don't want to miss that video or future videos, then make sure to subscribe with post notifications on and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Anyways guys, that is it for the video. Hopefully you did go on to enjoy. This has been Visual or James and I'm out. Peace.